Hi, Chick Babes and Chick Fur Babies. So we are going to do a what? Y'all see, I have, y'all like my pink Barbie set. I got this from Marshall's yesterday. Y'all know I'm a pink girly. Y'all, I can't wait for you all to see what I am going to unbox. Now, I have 3 Amazon packages, as you can see. We're going to unbox this tonight, and then tomorrow we'll unbox this. What is this? Oh, this is some aromatherapy. We're going to still do an unboxing. And we're going to unbox this, I guess Wednesday, because I got to put it together, and I'm excited, y'all. But y'all, I had to unbox this with y'all tonight because I'm ready to put it on. I am ready. I started to do this before we went to brunch, but I'm ready to get to what brunch? Oh, this is so cute. Oh yes, y'all know I'm a pink girlie. Look at that. Okay, so these are car accessories. So this is very fitting for this weather. I believe it's, Alexa, what's the temperature? It's going to be 41 degrees tonight. It's dropping out there right now. So anyway, yes, I had to get this first set, so I'm going to switch out my bling bling for the fur, because this is more fitting for the season. Oh, y'all, that's gorgeous. Yeah, that's gorgeous. That is gorgeous. I love it. Okay, so this is the armrest, okay? I'm about to go out there and put this on. Oh, y'all. Y'all know I'm girly, girl. Yes. Y'all know I am so girly, girl. So, okay, this is the pom-pom keychain. Yes. Girlies. And, okay, these are the, like if you have a vehicle that has the push button, okay, so you put this around the button, the edge of the button, you know, for some little decor. Let's see what else. Oh, y'all got to head to Amazon. Trick it out. Now these go on your, yeah, we're gonna hook this card tonight, y'all. And then, yes, we're gonna do it tonight. And then tomorrow, then I'll show y'all how it looks. But we're gonna go and vacuum it and clean it first, y'all. Now these go on your seat belts. On your seat belt. Like, so this would be like in the shoulder area of the seat belt. Oh yes, baby. Yes, I am loving this. And they have the cyber deals going on now. Okay. On Amazon. Yes, y'all. I had to get it. And this was just, what, $24.99? $24.99. And this is the gear. Y'all, I'm so excited. Y'all, I might take y'all out there with me while I put this together. But it's dark out there, y'all. I don't think y'all gonna be able to see. Y'all, so this is the gear. This is the gear shift. Oh, that's so cute. Y'all, I'm excited. Take y'all out there. It's cold. It's nice and cold. Y'all, I got something for y'all. And this is, that's the gear. So I guess you could train, this is also a gear shift. Okay. Well, some people have the curvy gear shift, you know? And then some people have a straight gear shift. So you can use either one. And This is steering wheel. Yeah, baby. Yes. I love it, y'all. I am so excited. So, y'all, I'm about to take y'all out. And we're gonna put this together. We're gonna put this together. No joke. Okay, let me see if I can bring this down some so y'all can see it a little better. There we go. Okay, y'all, we're back. Okay. So what we have is a little review. Okay, so this is the steering wheel cover. We got 2 gear shifts, a straight one and a pom-pom one. And we have a seat belt. This is for your seat belt. And this is the pom-pom. Can you change? Oh, love it. And this is the push button. If you have a push button vehicle, okay, with that cord. And this is the armrest. So yeah, we want to go out, y'all, and we're gonna put it together. It's not gonna take long. Y'all, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And hit that notification button so you be notified when I'm dropping new videos. Bye.